Right, hands on the dashboard! Hands on the dashboard!
The Combat Center hosted British Royal Marines for Exercise Black Alligator.
Your hands up!
1st Battalion, 7th Marine Regiment, and the 40 Commando Charlie Company utilized Range 215 for cross-training for future deployments.
The US Marines just showed us a different method of going towards a room. It's called the slinky effect.
The British and US Marines took time to exchange their knowledge of room clearing, door breaching, and assault procedures.
Well, for example, with the tactical movement from building to building, we would use the stack method. We'd have like a cover group, and then a stack would stack up on the doorway and go in. However, you guys have got this slinky method where you sort of more spread out on the approach, and you close right up right at the last minute, which is obviously a lot more tactically sound. So,
although both fighting forces operate on the battlefield with different tactics, they came together to expand their arsenal of warfighting techniques. Reporting for the Combat Center, I'm Corporal William Jackson.